Keith up here with the XR400. I got new boots too, so I'm trying to figure out how to use them. This thing is so slow compared to XR. Look at this beautiful house up there. That's just gorgeous. This KLX is so slow. I definitely wish I had my two-stroke, but oh, is this the lake? Sweet. Nah, I think I should be alright. Woo!
This day was amazing, and just like much of Colorado, beauty is all over the place. We started our journey north of County Road 275 and headed west towards Shins Lake, which is a mild off-road trail, but a lot of traffic during the time we went.
Pretty awesome. That's Craig with the WR250F. Woo! We got Craig on the WR250. Come on, full throttle, baby! Come on.
If you're in a Jeep, be prepared to pull over a lot of times on a lot of tight spots. Regardless, taking your time and stopping quite often is well worth it, since scenery seems to never escape.
We got Craig with the WR250F right here. That's the one that I test rode. We're gonna see how it does on these trails. Of course, if the KLX250 can do it, so can this one. Without a doubt. So this isn't too bad because it is going downhill for the most. Yeah, so right now I got it on second gear, so it's not terrible, you know. Not sure what section this is, but yeah, this is a straight uphill section. Come on! First gear. Come on.
Shortly after the road to Shins Lake, we traversed to Loch Lomond. Now I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but I believe it's called Loch Lomond, which supposedly is a great fishing lake, along with Shins Lake and Sherwin Lake right next to it. Next time, I'll be prepared to bring a fishing rod. However, it looks like the lake was a bit dry this time of year.
The suspensions are definitely really nice. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Now the moment most people have been waiting for, Kingston Peak. Let me tell you, this place is straight beautiful. The camera really does not do justice, but this was essentially a long hill climb to the top, then eventually descending straight down.
On the KLX250, we're going to be climbing this hill right here. It's not that steep, at least I don't think. I don't know, up there looks pretty. So right now I'm giving you full throttle on the KLX250. Come on. Alright, that's it for the KLX on second gear. First gear it has to be. I literally had it you know, in second gear, full throttle. Woo! Rocky, rocky. Whoops. Oh. I'm good. Yeah, it's just. Ow. I'm good. The exhaust burned me.
So I really love comparing machines to the KLX250 on certain trails, especially out in Colorado where elevation reaches 10,000 to even 14,000 feet. Of course, it is all fun, because at the end of the day, we all know a WR250F and the XR400 produces way more power than the KLX250, and possibly even more than the KLX300. But being at 11,000 to 12,000 feet elevation, it really puts the test on the KLX250.
I think I'm in fourth gear. Still has plenty of pull, while the KLX, you know, I have to downshift. Alright, let's see how it does uphill. I think I have it on second gear. There's two more. Thank you. Two more. How's it going, guys?
Most of my ride was first gear, usually pinned, but constantly had to shift between second and first gear since the KLX250 did not have enough torque to pick up the RPMs again.
Also, I forgot to talk about a few things. You know, the KLX250 is geared at 1350, so it has a lot more low-end grunt than what you would say stock from the factory. The reason I put 1350 is because, well, the last gear, sixth gear, was not usable for me. See, this is what I like about the KLX250. It's really comfortable to sit down on. So the WR250F, I can stay on third gear, fourth gear.
While the XR400 can usually be left alone on third gear. As I always say, if the KLX250 had the power of the DRZ400 or XR400, it would be the best machine hands down, no questions asked. But regardless, at the end of the day, I am happy to be riding on two wheels and of course enjoying this beautiful scenery. Anyhow, be sure to subscribe, hit that bell button, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.